I'm here in Bambu Studio 2.2, and today we are going to look at how to skip a failed object while allowing the rest of the objects to continue printing. To do this, you will want your Bambu Lab X1C to be on firmware version 1.10. Beta 1.9 will work also, but going forward, we'll want 1.10 or later. To do this, be sure to choose the correct printer. Mine is Quali, and enter the status screen. With the camera turned on, here you can monitor your print. Let's say you are monitoring your print either with your eyes or using this screen, and this one here should fail. Your X1C will not be aware of this and will continue to attempt to print the next layer in that print job. Here you can see my X1C is printing spaghetti. Because the previous layers are not there, the model has failed. We will need to instruct the X1C to skip this item and continue printing the remaining items. To do this, take your mouse and look down here for this icon that says Part Skip. Click on that. You will be presented with this screen and visual representations of each model. Simply highlight and click the model you need to skip. It will indicate in red, and a check mark will show on the list of parts. These are all for the same STL. Go ahead and click the skip button and click Continue. If your printer is currently printing the failed layer, the command will execute following the completion of that layer. Once that layer is finished, the command will execute, and going forward, it will skip this model and continue with the remaining models. Here it is, printing the model previous to the failed model. You will see it has skipped that failed model and continued printing with the next model. Now your X1C will no longer print that failed model, and you can continue successfully printing the rest of your project.